Hello, today I will show you how to easily replace old damaged AirPods on Beats headphones. As you can see, the AirPods are damaged and have lost their leather layer. Now they are velour, not leather AirPod cushions. Links to new AirPods are in the video description. This tutorial will work for both Beats Solo and Beats Studio headphones, as the AirPod mounting is the same. To remove the AirPod, take a flat tool. A butter knife works very well here. Insert the knife between the AirPod base and the headphone housing, and carefully and slowly push the AirPod away from the headphone housing. The AirPod cushions are held on the headphones with double-sided tape. Also remove any old glue tape remains. In the same way, carefully remove the old AirPod and clean off all the glue so it won't disturb with the new replacement AirPod cushion. To attach the new AirPod, remove the protective layer from the double-sided tape. Center the AirPod on the two plastic pins and press cushion down. The AirPod seam should be facing down. Install next AirPod cushion in the same way as the first one. Here's result. My grandmother will be happy that her headphones look like new again, and she won't have to spend money on buying new headphones. But now, good luck!